Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. I love my hot tub. It is such a relaxing, fun, serene experience to go out and play around. But when I first got it, I was intimidated by the idea of having to care for it. I thought I was gonna have to get a guy to do it for me. Turns out it's so simple thanks to the good folks at AquaDoc. I'm talking Mavs AquaDoc, and they've got such great products that make a world of difference. Now, to walk you through, this is their starter kit, non-chlorine. This is bromine, and I absolutely love it. Now, when Kelly comes and visits, my good friends Watson and Kelly come and visit, and they love the hot tub, but she has chlorine issues, skin sensitivity like a lot of folks do. So we like to use bromine in the hot tub instead of chlorine to make sure that she can enjoy her time with us. So first and foremost, this is the spa kit. It's a 6-in-1. This is really great. You just dip this little tester in water. It's gonna give you a variety of colors, and those colors are going to match up on the back to tell us what our total chlorine level is, what our free chlorine level is, what our alkalinity is, and even what our pH and total hardness is. Yeah, this is a really, really fantastic option for us. Ooh, the pH is a little high. I just learned that. Look at the more bright pink that is, the higher the pH is. And wow, my pH is really high. We're gonna have to use some pH decreaser. It's like I'm a doctor of my pool, and I didn't even have to go through the education process, thanks to this little tester right here. Now, some of the cool products in here is a water defoamer. If you have an issue with your hot tub or spa getting a little foamy, you're just gonna go ahead and use 1 to 3 ounces of this for your first 500 gallons. So I normally just use 3 ounces. If I ever get foamy water, put that in there, seems to get rid of it. This is a calcium increaser. This product is used to increase calcium hardness in spas and hot tubs with low levels of hardness. Low hardness levels will etch, plaster, and corrode the equipment. Before adding this product, test the water with calcium hardness test kit, like we saw there. The ideal hardness is 200 to 400 parts per million. Here's your pH decreaser. Like I said, my pH was let's see, according to this, it was 8.4. All I have to do is read the back, just that simple, which means that I do need to bring it down a little bit. So what does it say to do? Turn on your filter system, add 1 ounce of product. Should be used if your pH is over 7.8. Mine was 8.4 according to the colors. Follow steps 1 and 3 over until you get to 7.2 to 7.8, your hardness level. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add in 1 ounce of this. Let's do it right now while you're still here. All right, fortunately I have this little cup right here. Easy to do, and it's fun. You can do this on the fly, no big deal. So let's look and see where it says ounces on this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. And we're just gonna pour it in. You should obviously turn on the jets on your spa just to filter it through, move it around in the water. I'll do that after we stop the video. Easy peasy. Then we have our bromine tablets. Bromine is great because it doesn't have the scent of chlorine. And on top of that, it's just easier on the skin. So if you have issues with chlorine sensitivity, you kind of get irritated after being in the hot tub or spa, well, guess what? This is a great solution for you. And it comes included in the pack is this little floating device that you can drop your bromine tablets in. Put the top back on. Gotta get that on straight. There we go. And you just drop it in. Let it float around. It's going to be slowly but surely adding that bromine to your pool. The tablets are really smart because it distributes that bromine over a period of time. It's not just throwing in a bunch of chemical, it'll slowly distribute throughout your pool. So it's just that easy. Smells good. It smells like the pool at the Holiday Inn, and doesn't have that harsh chlorine smell. It says use 3 tablets for 300 gallons of water, and use the floating tablet feeder or automatic bromine installer with your spa equipment. So yeah, since I have a little bit larger spa, I'm gonna add a couple more to that after the video. Easy peasy. Here's a chlorine-free shock. You know, again, you don't want those chlorine levels too high, but if you're in and out of your spa, a lot of times keeping those biodegradable contaminants out of your spa requires a little bit of chlorine-free shock. I like to use this every time I get out of the spa. I just put in a little bit of shock. It's easy to use, and it says 2 ounces for every 500 gallons of water, and then run the pump for at least 30 minutes. So we'll run the pump after this video, but we've got, let me clean out this cup. There we go. 6 ounces, because I have a 1,500 gallon tub. Did that work out? Yeah, 6 ounces. And let's see, gotta find the ounces on the side. That's 8, and that's 6 right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this in here. Go a little less. And we're gonna cycle that through the spa later. Really smart stuff, right? We've got the metal prevent. Directions: keep circulation pump running. Add 1 pint, 16 ounces of this product around the spa for each 625 gallons. And we have the pH increase and decreaser. Straightforward, easy stuff to use. So you have the increaser over there and the decreaser. Folks, great product line. I gotta thank the good folks at AquaDoc. Mav knows his stuff, and he makes me feel like an expert. So in the bromine starter kit, there is bromine tablets, calcium increaser, pH increase and decrease, the chlorine-free shock, the defoamer, the metal prevent, the floater, and the test strips. It's just that easy. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations, showing off the best of the best, and Mav tops the rest. Just so easy. I love that their stuff is written easy to read instructions. All right, it's just that easy. If your question is, should you pick it up if you're a spa owner? Yes, you should. All right. And remember, a lot of times the stuff that's made for pools doesn't play well in your spa. So always get that spa stuff from Mav. All right. Thanks for watching. Go pick it up. Goodbye, my friends.